Can beginners really do affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about instant results, it's about long-term success. And here's the beautiful part. While the journey is challenging, it's not impossible. Ever wondered how to make money online without creating your own products? Well, affiliate marketing could be your answer. Welcome to the exciting world of affiliate marketing, a business model that's been quietly generating substantial online income for many. Here's the gist. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products. When a sale happens through your referral, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. The best part, you don't have to worry about product creation, inventory management, or customer service. Think of it as being a bridge between the product creator and the consumer. You're just facilitating a connection, and in return, you get rewarded for your efforts. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Now, whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or a complete novice, affiliate marketing offers a level playing field. So the burning remains. Can beginners really do affiliate marketing? Let's find out. To understand if beginners can do affiliate marketing, we first need to know how it works. Affiliate marketing, in essence, is a performance-based business model where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission for promoting someone else's product or service. The process begins with signing up for an affiliate program. This could be directly through a company or via an affiliate network that hosts a variety of programs from different companies. Once you've joined an affiliate program, you'll be provided with a unique affiliate link. Picture this as a digital breadcrumb trail that connects you, the affiliate, to any potential customers you send to the company. This link is how the company tracks sales that come from your promotional efforts. Now here's where your creativity comes into play. It's your job to promote this link in engaging and enticing ways. You could write a blog post reviewing the product, post a tutorial video on how to use it, or even share the link on your social media platforms. The key is to provide valuable content that encourages your audience to click on your affiliate link and make a purchase. And the final step, earning a commission. Every time a sale is made through your unique link, you earn a percentage of that sale. This commission can range from a few percentages up to 50% or more, depending on the affiliate program. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it allows you to earn passive income. Once you've set up your promotional content and it's live on the internet, it has the potential to generate income even while you're sleeping. But remember, the success of your affiliate marketing efforts relies heavily on the trust and relationship you build with your audience. Authenticity and transparency are key. It's important to promote products or services that you genuinely believe in and that you think will add value to your audience's life. Sounds simple, right? But let's delve a bit deeper. While the process seems straightforward, affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey, a climb, a marathon. It's a venture that needs your patience, consistency, and effort. You see, affiliate marketing is not just about promoting products and earning commissions. It's about establishing a brand, creating value, and building trust. This journey will involve learning about search engine optimization, or SEO, a critical digital marketing strategy that helps your content rank higher in search engine results. This way, more people can find, visit, and possibly buy from your website. But SEO is not the only thing you'll need to learn. You'll also need to get a grip on content marketing, which is all about creating and sharing valuable free content to attract and convert prospects into customers and customers into repeat buyers. The type of content you share is closely related to what you sell. In other words, you're educating people so that they know, like, and trust you enough to do business with you. Now, this might sound overwhelming, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every successful affiliate marketer started from scratch without any knowledge about SEO, content marketing, or other digital marketing strategies, but they were willing to learn, willing to invest their time and effort, and willing to be patient. Affiliate marketing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about instant results, it's about long-term success. And here's the beautiful part. While the journey is challenging, it's not impossible. It's definitely possible for beginners. It's possible for you. Every journey starts with a single step. And the first step in affiliate marketing is to understand the reality that it's not easy, but it's worth it. That it's not about making quick money, but about building a sustainable business. That it's not about selling products, but about creating value. So yes, beginners can indeed do affiliate marketing. But how can you get started? Getting started is easier than you might think. Let's break it down into manageable steps. Firstly, research profitable niches. This step is crucial because your niche will determine the product or services you'll promote. Think about your interests or areas of expertise and see if there's a market for them. Secondly, sign up for affiliate programs. There are plenty of platforms out there like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Choose the one that aligns best with your chosen niche. Lastly, set up a website or social media page. This will be your platform to promote affiliate products. Make it engaging, provide valuable content, and remember to include your affiliate links. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and patience. But with dedication and the right strategies, it can become a lucrative source of income. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to starting affiliate marketing. So, to wrap things up, beginners can definitely do affiliate marketing. We've explored the basics, how it works, and the reality of the field. We've also discussed how to get started and the tools you'll need for success. And now it's time for you to take the next step. There's a link in the description that will take you to a free video. There, you'll learn more about my personal experiences and the challenge I'm undertaking. You'll also discover the 6 essential tools to build an online business today. Just a quick note before you go. There are affiliate links in this post. If you click through and take action, I'll be compensated. However, I never promote get-rich-quick schemes. I firmly believe that success in affiliate marketing, like any endeavor, requires time and effort. Remember, success comes over time and effort, and affiliate marketing is no different. So why not take the first step today? Click the link below and start your journey to financial freedom.